see if I still got it. We back! Alright, you know, coming back. Still a little rusty from this drainage that's in my throat, but not bad. Hey everybody, welcome back to another week of Friday Funnies. I hope you had a great week. Let's get right into it. First of all, if I sound a little stuffy, it's because I'm getting over these allergies. This weather is killing me. Yo man, let me tell you, like all of you, I believe my sleep is very important. I don't want anything to come between me and my sleep when it's that time. Let me tell you, man. So I was sleeping over this girl's house, right? But you know, before I go to sleep, I like to watch a little TV. And then out of nowhere, I hear this grizzly bear of a sound. I heard it the first time, but I'm thinking this must be like one of my bad dreams trying to creep their way into my mind. No, nothing but positive dreams tonight. Then I hear it again. And then I'm like, oh my God, something's trying to eat me. Then I wake up, and then I hear that ghastly sound is coming from her mouth. Are you possessed? I'm just looking at her like, you have some type of respiratory illness. I try to like tap her, but she hits me with some type of drunken fist. When she's unconscious, she knows advanced martial arts. Every time I try to tap her on the shoulder, she karate chop me in my throat. How do you know where my pressure points are? Doing 8 trigrams, 64 pounds on my ass. I am in constant fear for my life whenever I sleep in the same bed with this woman. I wish people could see what I see, because I am both exhausted, number one, frightened for my life, and amazed all at the same time. I think we should see other people. That's what I'm gonna have to end up doing. We're gonna have to see other people, because I can't keep doing this. I'm not about this life. I'm not the one, and I will not be the one. No.